Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do the Pomodoro Technique step by step. First, select a single task you need to complete. Then, set a timer for 25 minutes. This 25-minute period is called a Pomodoro. During this time, commit to working exclusively on your chosen task with full concentration. Avoid all distractions until the timer signals the end of your focused work. Once your 25-minute Pomodoro concludes, it's time for a well-deserved short break. This break should last for about 3 to 5 minutes. Step away from your work, stretch, grab a drink, or simply close your eyes. This brief pause helps to refresh your mind and prevent burnout, preparing you for the next focused work session ahead. After your short break, reset your timer and begin another 25-minute Pomodoro. You'll repeat this cycle of 25 minutes of focused work, followed by a 3 to 5 minute break. The key is to maintain your concentration during each work interval, ensuring you make consistent progress on your tasks. This structured approach builds momentum and productivity. Once you've completed 4 Pomodoros, which means 4 25-minute work sessions and 4 short breaks, it's time for a longer break. This extended pause should be between 15 and 30 minutes. Use this time to truly step away, perhaps have a snack, take a walk, or engage in a non-work activity. This longer break is crucial for sustained productivity and mental well-being.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.